Welcome back, and it's Brandon. In today's video, we're gonna eat at
Where are you?
second chapter.
Show them. Show them.
Second chapter.
You gotta point to them. The second chapter.
It's upside down.
No, it's not. And then what do you order? You must explain.
Yeah, I just chose.
Oyakodon.
Yeah, yakudon.
Oyakodon. It's a Japanese food. Explain to me. What is it?
Japanese food. Let me eat it.
So
Mom.
what is it? You must tell them. It's eggs and chicken.
Yeah, eggs, chicken.
And you say your.
Is that
Mother
onion?
ordered
That
what? Mother ordered what?
that is this onion?
That's cucumbers.
Yeah, my father ordered a
It's
very
spicy.
spicy food.
It's called sundubu.
Mom, don't grab one for me. You already have them. Oh yeah, grab these veggies.
You gotta say that first.
Good one.
Yep. Is it good, son?
It's nice.
Good. Hope you're enjoying yourself. Speak to
Karena yang
your.
telurnya matang kok kayak gini.
Guys, it's very nice. It tastes like, it doesn't taste sweet. It tastes salt, like salty.
So show them to closer. What is it? So what do you see inside the bowl?
Bentuknya
Rice.
gini loh, tunjukin.
I'm gonna bring this egg.
Okay, then you see this is the Korean fried chicken.
Iya.
Show
Are
them.
those my chicken wings?
Yeah, show them.
My chicken wings are here,
Hold up.
guys. My chicken
You
wings.
can show them what is it. Yeah, take one and be sure. Show them.
Are these hard? I mean, like
Show them it's Korean
hot?
fried chicken. Check it out.
Oh my god, it's
Crispy,
hot.
crispy.
It's so hot.
Yeah. That's all.
Woo.
Udah nyamuk. Main nyamuk.
Hot. It's hot.
Alright.
The chicken is so hot. This is the best I ever tasted. Among all of you,
Udah langsung matiin lah, udah cukup.
among all our videos,
Okay guys,
the
I
best food.
need to pig out.
No,
I just said
no,
please, right? Say that.
no.
Just that. That's spicy.
Itu boleh, ini panas banget tapi
It's hot though.
Try one.
panas banget ya.
Got it. Good. Okay, but blow first. But I prefer you hold it with your hand. It looks special.ผมใช้ก่อนมาอันที่สองเสร็จ
I ate half of the chicken wing.
You're supposed to eat it with like some spicy sauce. So if you want to get more subscribers, perhaps you want to show them that you can take some spicy food. Show them that you can have a spicy mouth.
No.
You can breathe out some fire like boom. No?
No.
Your channel is called Brand Goes Boom. So you gotta go boom one time. Come on.
No.
Do it for your subscribers. Come on. I'm one of your subscribers.
Okay, guys, if this reach 10 likes, I'll eat a wasabi.
Bum, 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 bum. 10 likes, guys. Wasabi, that's not wasabi, man. Okay, cannot go too long. Wait, stop sugar. Take your
Oh,
drumstick.
4 menit
eat
kok.
it. Take your drumstick, bite it one time. Crunchy. Yummy.
Oh, it's hot.
Okay, tell them bye-bye.
Guys, I have to end this video. See you and subscribe with all notifications and leave a like. Bye.